The attack begins before the victim even realizes there's danger. No claws, no teeth, no roaring predator charging through the forest. Just the air changing, a smell, a cloud, a microscopic reaction already beginning inside the body. Then the pain starts. Burning eyes, paralyzed muscles, nervous systems collapsing from the inside. Because in nature, some of the deadliest weapons were never physical. They were chemical. This is Primal Politics. And tonight, we enter one of the most disturbing battlefields in the natural world. Nature's version of chemical weapons. When humans think of warfare, we imagine explosions, bullets, and brute force. But evolution discovered something terrifying long before humanity ever existed. You don't always need strength to win. Sometimes you just need chemistry. Because all across Earth, plants, insects, fungi, and animals are constantly attacking each other with invisible biological weapons. Toxins, acids, neurochemicals, venoms, airborne compounds. Entire ecosystems are engaged in silent chemical warfare every second. Take the bombardier beetle, harmless looking at first glance, until something threatens it. Inside its abdomen are separate chambers filled with volatile chemicals, hydrogen peroxide, hydroquinones. But when danger appears, the beetle mixes them together. The result is explosive, literally. A violent chemical reaction heats the mixture near the boiling point of water. Then the beetle fires the burning spray directly at attackers, like biological gunfire. The spray can blind predators, burn skin, damage tissue. Evolution engineered a living insect capable of chemical combustion. But insects are only the beginning, because some of nature's most terrifying chemical weapons don't come from predators. They come from plants. The black walnut tree poisons the soil around it. Its roots release a chemical called juglone. The tree is essentially conducting territorial warfare chemically, and forests are full of battles like this. Some plants release airborne chemicals when insects attack them. Signals warning nearby plants to prepare defenses. Nicotine, caffeine, capsaicin, many chemicals humans consume evolved as biological defense systems. But perhaps no chemical warfare in nature feels more horrifying than what happens in the ocean. The blue-ringed octopus, small enough to fit in a human hand, and hidden inside it, one of the deadliest neurotoxins on Earth, tetrodotoxin. A poison so powerful it can shut down muscles completely. Victims remain conscious while losing the ability to move or breathe, like the nervous system itself is being unplugged. But chemical warfare isn't always about killing immediately. Sometimes it's about psychological terror. The skunk is a perfect example. The smell itself becomes a weapon. And nowhere is that more horrifying than among ants. Some ant species spray formic acid directly onto enemies. Army ants overwhelm targets through sheer numbers and chemical communication. Millions of bodies operating almost like a single organism. And honestly, humans are not as separate from this world as we like to believe. Because our own brains run on chemicals too. The line between poison and control becomes blurry. There are fungi that chemically manipulate insect behavior. Parasites that suppress fear responses in prey animals. Nature invented chemical warfare first. Long before humans built laboratories, the natural world was already conducting invisible wars. Silent battlefields hidden inside forests, oceans, jungles, and underground colonies. No morality, no rules, no mercy. Just chemistry deciding who survives. And somewhere right now, a tree is poisoning the ground around it. An insect is spraying chemicals at an enemy. Wars fought without explosions, without sound, without witnesses. Because in Primal Politics, Some of the deadliest weapons on Earth were never manufactured. They evolved.